Welcome to our channel. In an era where information is abundant but time is limited, having an efficient and intelligent tool at your disposal can make all the difference. Enter ChatGPT, an advanced AI developed by OpenAI, designed to assist you in a multitude of ways. Whether you're looking for insightful answers, creative inspiration, or just a reliable conversational partner, ChatGPT is here to help. Imagine having access to a resource that can answer your queries, offer detailed explanations, and generate ideas at the touch of a button. ChatGPT leverages sophisticated language models to understand and respond to your needs with accuracy and relevance. It's more than just a chatbot. It's a versatile assistant capable of adapting to a wide range of tasks and topics. Number 10. Basic Interaction. Starting off our list at number 10, we have Basic Interaction. ChatGPT is incredibly user-friendly, making it perfect for casual users who just want to chat or ask simple questions. Simply type your question or prompt into the chat interface and hit Enter. For example, you could ask it about the weather, trivia questions, or even for a joke. ChatGPT is designed to understand natural language, so you don't need to use any specific commands or keywords. Additional tip: use ChatGPT to break the ice in virtual meetings or social settings. Its ability to generate conversation topics can be a great way to get things started. Number 9. Content Creation. Next up at number 9 is Content Creation. ChatGPT can assist you in generating content for blogs, articles, social media posts, and more. For example, if you're a blogger struggling with writer's block, you can ask ChatGPT to draft an outline or even write full paragraphs on a given topic. Just provide a brief description or some keywords, and let ChatGPT work its magic. Additional tip: use ChatGPT to brainstorm new ideas. Ask it for a list of potential blog post titles or social media content themes to get your creative juices flowing. Number 8. Coding Help. At number 8, we have Coding Help. ChatGPT is a fantastic tool for programmers and developers, offering assistance with coding tasks and troubleshooting. You can ask it to write code snippets, explain programming concepts, or debug errors. For instance, if you're stuck with a Python error, just describe your problem, and ChatGPT can provide solutions or suggestions. Additional tip: use ChatGPT to learn new programming languages. Ask it to provide beginner tutorials or simple projects to help you get started. Number 7. Language Learning. Coming in at number 7 is Language Learning. ChatGPT can help you learn new languages by providing translations, grammar explanations, and practice conversations. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to translate a sentence from English to Spanish or to explain the rules of French conjugation. Additionally, you can have simple conversations in your target language to practice your skills. Additional tip: use ChatGPT to learn about the culture associated with the language you're studying. Ask it about cultural norms, traditions, and popular phrases to enhance your learning experience. Number 6. Personal Assistant Tasks. At number 6, we have Personal Assistant Tasks. ChatGPT can act as your virtual personal assistant, helping you manage your daily tasks and schedule. You can ask it to set reminders, create to-do lists, or even draft emails. For instance, you could ask ChatGPT to remind you about a meeting or to draft a professional email to a client. Additional tip: use ChatGPT to organize your thoughts before important meetings or presentations. Ask it to summarize key points or generate talking points based on your notes. Number 5. Education and Tutoring. Halfway through our list at number 5 is Education and Tutoring. ChatGPT be an excellent tutor, helping you with homework, explaining complex concepts, and providing study aids. For example, if you're struggling with a math problem, you can describe it to ChatGPT, and it will walk you through the solution step by step. It can also generate flashcards or practice questions for various subjects. Additional tip: use ChatGPT to explore new subjects outside of your curriculum. Ask it to provide introductory materials or book recommendations on topics you're curious about. Number 4. Research Assistants. At number 4, we have Research Assistants. ChatGPT can help you gather information on a wide range of topics, making it a valuable tool for students, researchers, and professionals. For instance, You can ask ChatGPT to summarize articles, provide overviews of complex topics, or even generate bibliographies. It can also help you find relevant sources and suggest keywords for further research. Additional tip: use ChatGPT to refine your research questions. Ask it to help you narrow down broad topics or to formulate specific hypotheses for your studies. Number 3. Creative writing and storytelling. Landing at number 3 is creative writing and storytelling. ChatGPT can be a wonderful companion for writers, helping you brainstorm ideas, develop characters, and even write full scenes or chapters. For example, you can provide ChatGPT with a brief plot outline and ask it to generate dialogue or describe settings. It can also help you overcome writer's block by suggesting plot twists or character arcs. Additional tip: use ChatGPT to explore different writing styles. Ask it to write in the style of your favorite authors or to experiment with genres you're not familiar with. Number 2. Customer support. Nearing the top of our list at number 2 is customer support. ChatGPT can be integrated into customer service platforms to provide quick and accurate responses to customer inquiries. For instance, businesses can use ChatGPT to handle frequently asked questions, troubleshoot common issues, and provide product information. This can significantly reduce response times and improve customer satisfaction. Additional tip: use ChatGPT to analyze customer feedback and generate reports. Ask it to summarize customer reviews or to highlight recurring issues for further investigation. Number 1. Personal growth and development. And finally, at number 1, we have personal growth and development. ChatGPT can be a powerful tool for personal growth, offering guidance, motivation, and resources for self-improvement. For example, you can ask ChatGPT for advice on setting goals, developing new habits, or overcoming challenges. It can also provide resources such as book recommendations, inspirational quotes, and mindfulness exercises. Additional tip: use ChatGPT as a daily journal or reflection tool. Ask it to prompt you with questions about your day, your feelings, and your goals to help you stay focused and motivated. As we've explored, ChatGPT stands out as a remarkable tool capable of enhancing your productivity and creativity. By leveraging its advanced conversational abilities, you can streamline tasks, generate innovative ideas, and gain valuable insights. Whether you're tackling a challenging project, seeking quick answers, or just engaging in thoughtful dialogue, ChatGPT offers a versatile and user-friendly experience. Remember, the key to making the most of this AI assistant is to engage with it thoughtfully. Be clear in your queries, explore its diverse capabilities, and don't hesitate to refine your interactions to get the best results. As technology continues to evolve, ChatGPT remains a powerful ally in navigating the complexities of both personal and professional life. So, go ahead, start your conversation with ChatGPT today and unlock new possibilities with the help of cutting-edge AI technology.